Packed full of herbs and spices, today we're going to go over a few recipes where our Herby Chimichurri is going to cut the work in half for you. Hi, I'm Courtney and I'm the Director of Marketing here at Haven's Kitchen, and today we're going to go over a few recipes, so let's get cooking. First recipe for today is our tomato burrata peach chimichurri salad. Next up is our weeknight sausage, beans, and kale. Tostones with chimichurri shrimp and mango salsa. Chimichurri roasted Brussels sprouts with Parmesan. And last but not least is our garlicky kale salad with crispy chickpeas. Tasty. Before we dive into these recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of our new recipes.
So now let's, if you'd like, you can do like...
Hip. Our Herby Chimichurri is the sauce that I probably use the most out of everything that we carry. It's absolutely delicious, super versatile, packed with herbs. It has capers, a little bit of red pepper, goes with everything you could imagine. And I really recommend that you give it a try. If you're looking for it, you can check it out on havenskitchen.com. Check out our store locator if you're looking for it in a store near you, and let us know what you think. And now for our first recipe, our tomato burrata and peach chimichurri salad. This recipe is super delicious with juicy peaches, creamy burrata, delicious tomatoes, all brought together with our Herby chimichurri. Fantastic for a quick, refreshing meal during the week, great as a side dish, and excellent as a platter to impress your friends. The fun part about this recipe are the delicious croutons. They're not just regular croutons. We take our bread chunks, we toss them with a little chimichurri, and we toast them for a lot of extra flavor. Next up is our weeknight sausage, beans, and kale recipe. It's a really wonderful, easy recipe, a one-pot wonder that you can make any day of the week. Click the recipe link below so you can cook along with it. Once you learn the basics, you can make it 1,000 different ways with whatever leftovers you have available. The delicious broth in this dish is gonna be great over a plate of white rice, some pasta, and even if you have extra bread lying around, you toast it, you dip it, oh my goodness, absolutely delicious. Up next is our tostones with our chimichurri shrimp and our mango salsa. This dish is super fun and flavorful, a sweet and savory flavor combination. The tostones are absolutely delicious with our chimichurri sauce. If you watch this video linked below, you'll get all the tips and tricks on how to get the perfectly fried white tostones. Next up is our chimichurri roasted Brussels sprouts and Parmesan cheese. Our crispy Brussels sprouts are one of our most popular side dishes, and if you're anything like me, you don't like soggy vegetables. So if you want to learn how to get those perfectly crispy Brussels sprouts, cook along with this recipe linked below. Next up, but not least, is our garlicky kale salad with crispy chickpeas. This salad is the perfect vegan side dish for the holidays, or really any time of the year. Adding crispy chickpeas tossed with our Herby chimichurri is a fantastic gluten-free option to croutons. If you're interested in making any of these recipes, linked below are the videos to each one. Let us know what you like in the comments. If you want to pick up our Herby chimichurri, check out our store locator on havenskitchen.com to find them in a grocery store near you. Remember, it's going to be in the refrigerated section because we have absolutely no preservatives whatsoever. Thanks again so much for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.